Hey bunny, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. If you are here for the first time, hi, my name is Hanni. If you'd like to join the fam, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and become part of the fam, because if you ain't part of this fam, you ain't popping, period. So join the squad, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, anyways, so guys, I'm so excited for today's video. Like I'm beyond excited. Like excited is not even the word, okay? Because if you don't know, one of the main reasons why I started my YouTube channel was basically to share home decor videos with you guys, DIY videos with you guys, and today we're basically doing that. We are doing our second DIY, and for this DIY we're basically recreating a gallery wall. So if you don't know what a gallery wall is, I'll throw a bunch of pictures here, but yeah, we're gonna recreate that. And so, but we're gonna do it at a cheaper price, guys. We're not expensive, we're not rich, like we're poor, we're broke, okay? So we're gonna recreate a gallery wall for a much more cheaper price, okay? So if that's something that's exciting to you, then stay tuned and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so what do we need for this video? Okay, everything I'm gonna pull out here, guys, is from Pep stores. So the first thing we're gonna be using is this mirror here. Oof. Yeah, it's that it's not a mirror, it's actually a clock, a mirrored clock. That's the first thing we're gonna be using. Not the first thing, but one of the things is this mirrored clock. And then we have two of this. These are basically what do they call this? Certificate file. I mean, I don't know. Frames. Yeah, it's a certificate frame. We have two of those, and one was $24, and the mirror was $39. So $40. We'll do the calculations to see how much all of this was by the end of the video. But basically, it's cheap, guys. I'm sure like those celebrities spend like over $1,000 to do this. So yeah, and then we're gonna have like 5 of this smaller frames, not 5, 4, I think 1, 2, 3, 4 of those smaller frames, and one of them was $10. And then we have this one here. This one has a mirror in it, like this part here is a mirror, so you guys should be able to see yourself. But yeah, and this one was a little bit more expensive. That one was $20, I'm guessing, because it's a mirror. Okay, so let's think first. Now we have our frames, we have our, you know, our frames and our clock. The next thing we're gonna need is double-sided tape. So we are renting, so we need to be apartment safe. So double-sided tape, and you need to please make sure, guys, the double-sided tape that you're gonna buy is a bit like, at least if you're gonna spend a lot of money, the one thing you're gonna have to spend a lot of money on is the double-sided tape, because if it's not strong enough, you're gonna end up breaking your frames or the cloth, because it's gonna fall. Okay, so yeah, that's what you need. And then you need to print a bunch of codes or pictures that you'd like to insert in your frames. Like that's basically according to your preference, like it's what you like. So what do you want to put in your frames? Basically that's all you need: double-sided tape, frames, and codes. As simple as that. And you can print these codes basically just by using your printer at home. You don't have to go to the shop and go to the Photoshop and go print a real photo. Just print using your printer at home. Yeah. Let's put our codes into our frames. So guys, I'm sure you know how to put a paper in a frame. So just do that, like put all the pictures or whatever you want to go inside your frames. Like this is what comes inside this frame, but definitely not what I want inside my frame, and this is what comes inside this frame. So I'm just gonna switch this out with the ones that I want to be inside, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so now we're done. All the frames have different pictures in them. These are the pictures that I chose. Okay guys, so what you're gonna do is basically just paste that double-sided tape on the frame like this. So it really doesn't matter how you do it, you just have to make sure it's properly pasted, like, you know. So I did this to all the frames, like, oh, that's what I'm gonna do to all the frames. So yeah, there. Okay guys, so putting this thing here at the back of this is definitely not gonna work. So the only option we have is putting on this and trusting that it works. So I'll let you guys know if this break and falls, but this is the only option we have. So gotta work what we have. Okay, we're just gonna make use of what we have. This is what we have. This is what we'll make use of. Yeah, let's hope this works. Okay, I need to put batteries in this thing. I'm gonna use one of these batteries. Guys, so are you ready? Look, oh guys, this is how it turned out. Like, I love it so much. Like, it's so pretty, guys. Oh gosh, yeah, like, woohoo, this is how it turned out. Oh, wow, it's so pretty. I'm gonna take some beautiful pictures here, like mukuromua uripi. Oh gosh, it's gonna be so beautiful. Like, can you picture this? Like a picture here, like with me there next to the clock. Like, isn't this like a beautiful picture? Like, guys, so pretty. Yay. I'm just a girl who loves making other girls feel so my and my favorite quote of all time: what if I fall? Oh, but darling, what if you fly? Yeah, so really no reason why I have trees in there or flowers in there, but yeah, this is it, guys. I love it so much. This is what I chose to put inside them. Yay. What if I fall? Oh, but darling, what if you fly? So you never know, you just try, you know? You never know, you just try. Hey guys, that's it. Okay guys, so you know, just because we can, like, why not? Like, this new cute background here, you know, so we're gonna film the end of this video here. Most not on scan most probably I'm joking, but yeah, we're not gonna film our outro there no more. Not no more, but like for the day the outro will be here. Like, I'm so excited, guys. This is so pretty. Like, oh gosh, who's gonna tell me otherwise? Like, who's gonna tell me otherwise? Like, nobody's gonna tell me anything. Like, you can't tell me anything. Like, this is pretty. Like, how not? How can you not say this is cute? Okay, but yeah, guys. Ooh, this looks even better. Time to take selfies. Okay, let me stop rambling and get to the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I can't speak clearly, but if you enjoyed this video, please like it. Leave a comment down below if you have any new DIY ideas that you'd like me to make. If you do happen to recreate this or get inspired by this, please take a picture, tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram here. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you watched until the end, If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. We're on our way to 1K subscribers, guys. So if you're not subscribed, it's pretty easy. There's that red button down here written subscribe. You just click that button and then you just go one step further, you know, so you just know that my videos are there. So the one step further you go is literally hitting that button there. Like there's a button next to that red button, you know, there's like another click, another bell button there. You click that bell button and you turn on the bell notifications, and basically that will let you know every time I post a new video. Like I post new videos every Wednesday on this channel, but sometimes I'm generous. Like I want to be generous sometimes, you know. I'm just joking. But yeah, sometimes I post videos on Sundays and sometimes on Mondays, but most of the time I post videos on Wednesday. So every Wednesday there's a video up on my channel. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, leave a comment down below, tag me on Instagram if you create the look at Hanni. But yeah, otherwise guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video. Anyways, bye. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. And I'm gonna take selfies, so peace out. So pretty. Yeah. Bye.